Bitch, whose car is this? Huh? Just got eyes on it. Bitch. Holy fucking shit. What kind of car is it? I don't even know what kind of car it is. Ka-chow! No! Into the bitch at Mapco. Lightning McQueen is not a Corvette. Thank you. Trying to ruin my whole ass day. He's a hybrid. He's not any kind of car. Thank you. Come again and suck my dick. That was the coolest car I ever seen. And just because you ain't happy with your life, bitch. And that fucking dude in there talking about, I don't like Disney. Okay, bye. Grumpy ass old bitch.